what makes an actor great. Whether it's his ability to mimic the character or his voice, or just to show off his skill, is what makes him great. I think there isn't a single criteria to be a great actor. I think what makes a person a great actor is the great actor never seemed to be acting. Irfan Khan is one such actor. We have always seen Irfan in blending into the role of character, making the boundaries blur between the actor himself and his character, without having much show off of the skills or physical appearance. Rather than portraying a character with material objects or being pretentious, Irfan has always portrayed his character by entering into the psyche of the character, which is what makes him great. And by doing this, he has been very intentional to break the boundaries of the conventional acting.
परंपरा तोड़ना शायद मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है। ये मुझे ऊपर वाले ने मुझे इस मिशन के साथ भेजा है। मैं परंपराओं पे सवाल उठाऊंगा और तोड़ने की कोशिश करूंगा।
In his career, Irfan has acted in many movies, ranging of different genres. But when we think of it, we remember the character which Irfan played rather than Irfan himself. We quickly remember Rudar from Heather, we remember Ranvijay Singh from Hasil, we remember Mr. Fernandez from Lunchbox, we remember the Shire from Saat Khun Maaf, so on and so forth. And the one feature which gets imprinted on viewers' mind is Irfan's eyes. Irfan uses the gaze brilliantly to convey the nuances of the character. Sometimes he uses it to portray much larger emotion which no dialogue can ever replace. The gaze isn't just the act of seeing but to perceive other individuals through the eyes, also to show the emotion to others. I want to discuss more of Irfan's gaze, but before that I want to discuss boxing. Yes, with Muhammad Ali's beautiful quote, "Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee, the hands can't hit what the eyes can't see." Boxers are trained more to seeing than punching. Boxers are told to take a fiercely look at the opponent, scan his every muscle, anticipate his next move through his gaze, and punch him when he blinks. They say the most important muscle in the boxing are not the upper arms, but the eye sockets. Acting, it's similar. The characters are in conflict. The characters are engaged in the action to seek the force, persuade or seduce other human beings to make the characters do the things that otherwise they wouldn't. And it involves moment to moment examination of the character, which is what makes the character arc. And that's where eyes are become crucial. Whether to express the affection or to express the anger. And with all this, audience are constantly penetrating into the head of the actor through his eyes. When that happens, the actor uses his or her eyes exactly as a boxer does to hunt out another person's intentions, defenses, desires, and fears. Seeing is therefore purposeful and not passive. That's what Irfan does with his eyes. He characterizes his role, the way Irfan engages with the other characters in the film, that is by anticipating, judging, admiring, scaring, attracting, dismissing, and with his eyes and the way he employs them will tell us as much or more about the characters as does his costume, makeup, diction, accent, movements, and in many cases even his words. This is my heartfelt tribute to one of the greatest actor Indian cinema has. It is very difficult to talk about Irfan in past tense.